Hi guys, I'm John. This video, let's upgrade the wall light switch to the smart one.
I bought this 3-gang smart wall switch by SMATRUL. It supports Wi-Fi and RF control and integrate with Tuya. Also, it can install with or without neutral wire. The things inside the box are simple, including a wall switch, a capacitor, 2 screws, and a manual.
Before we start, I think I need to make it clear. If you don't know what you are doing, please don't try this at home. I'm quite a beginner, but I know what I'm doing, so I always ensure the power is off before any electric work. Okay, let's start.
Now we need to remove the old wall switch. I double check the light switch to make sure that there's no power. Just in case, I also cut off the water heater power next to it. To be honest, I don't really know how to remove it. I start to pry up the corners, but it looks like I'm not in the right direction. So I Google how to remove this switch model. Then I find out I need to pry up the buttons and remove the screw that hold the wall switch planner. Also remove the wires in the terminals. Here I take an extra step to check whether the outlet is enough to fit the smart wall switch. If you have feeding issue, you can buy a spacer for it. Here we have many wires. The jumbo wire is not necessary here. In Malaysia, we follow the UK standard, only have live wires at the wall switch outlet. The red line is the live wire and the blue line are the live wire on the light fixture side. You can see this is something special, the neutral wire. I asked the electrician add this to all my wall switch last time, so I can install the smart wall switch without a capacitor. Let's start to install the smart wall switch. First, remove the wire jacket from the neutral wire. Here you can see I wear a plastic glove because I'm Chinese, afraid of death is in our culture. Then connect the wire into the smart wall switch terminal accordingly. Also, I don't wear a plastic glove now because I found out I'm already dead inside. It's no point to worry about electric shock. No, I'm just joking. I'm sure that the power is off. Check with the test pen, show no sign of power. Then I only use my bare hand to work on it. After wiring up everything, I turn on the power. It's not working. I fixed this issue by rearranging the light fixture live wires and it works, but why? Everything looks good, so I screw the smart wall switch to the wall, but the glass panel is unable to fit in. I have to fasten the screw up and down instead of left and right, leaving a small gap for the glass panel. After that, it just fit in perfectly. However, I found an issue. I must turn on the L1 lights before turning on the others. If not, it will not work. I think this is a serial and parallel wiring issue. It's beyond my understanding, so I will hand it to the electrician to fix it. Temporary fix is use Home Assistant to create automation. It will automatically turn on the L1 light when I turn on the others.
That's all for this video. I know it does not what I expected, but I think it's an easy fix. I also think this smart wall switch will be fun for the future project. Thanks for your watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time. Bye bye.